Hello, and thank you for joining us in today's webinar session, Designing Engaging Physics Courses Using Videos. My name is Mayuri, and I am a curriculum specialist at JoVE. Today, I'm accompanied by my colleagues, Lakshmi and Preeti. A little bit more about my role at JoVE and how they can help you, we will be discussing in the further slides. So I will just begin my presentation. So in today's session, we will basically focus on the overview of the JoVE's physics resources. This will be followed by how we can embed all of this content into an LMS of your choice. We will also be taking a deep dive into how the various resources will benefit you at your different teaching levels. So let's start with the word JoVE itself. JoVE is an acronym for the Journal of Visualized Experiments, a journal focused on visualizing experiments through videos. Now, it goes beyond traditional scientific protocol by providing videos that allow viewers to watch and replicate the experiments. Over time, JoVE has become a leading scientific video creator, offering a wide range of content for teaching, learning, and practicing science. The idea behind JoVE is simple. Visualizing concepts through videos enhances understanding compared to reading alone. Now, scientific studies have shown that watching videos help incorporate the message more effectively. While the text article provides all the essential details, a video is necessary for replicating the protocol. The protocol is super important to have for the level of detail that we want to achieve. But if we want to replicate what's in there, we do need a video to explain us how to take the next step. This concept is similar to following a recipe. The written ingredients help us understand what's needed, but then a video recipe allows us to see the technique behind the cooking. So today, of the different subject areas covered on the JoVE platform, we will focus on the physics education resources. For this part of the session, I would encourage you to follow the steps along with me. And if you don't already have the JoVE website open, I would suggest you to open up another window and go on to our online platform. Just go on to www.jove.com. And on the online platform, I will walk you through navigating the physics collections. Now, all the resources related to physics can be found under Education, a drop-down menu. You will find it at the top of the homepage, the one highlighted in red. And to find all of the resources under physics, just simply click on physics from the different options provided. Once you click on physics, you will be able to see the different education contents available. I will start with the JoVE core contents, which is indicated by the arrows. This series covers the most fundamental resource that we have on JoVE. Once you click on the core series, you will see that the videos are organized into chapters like a textbook. Each chapter contains a number of videos. All the videos within the core series are short animated clips where the fundamental topics are covered. Now, this is ideal for students at the foundational level or undergraduate year 1 level. Another resource that we have is the Science Education series. Science Education Physics contains resources on classical mechanics, thermodynamics, magnetism, optics, etc. All of the videos included here are around 10 minutes long, covering the overview to key experimental techniques and applications. These videos are more suitable for undergraduate, second and third year levels. Of course, I just walked you through I gave you a very brief overview of all the physics resources, but I have my colleague Lakshmi here, who is also a subject matter expert at JoVE, who will be now giving you an in-depth overview of these resources. So for this part of the session, I will now stop my screen and ask Lakshmi to take over.
Hello, everyone. I'll start my presentation. I'll share my screen. Okay. So, good evening, good morning, and everyone. So, I'm Lakshmi. I'm the subject matter expert in CS team with JoVE. So, today I'm going to give you an overview of our physics collection. So, before I go into the physics collection, JoVE is a treasure of so many very valued and very useful resources for teaching. So we have a research section and an education section. In the research section, we have a video journal, which is a peer-reviewed, PubMed indexed journal, and it's available in 13 different subjects, from starting from biology to cancer research to engineering, bioengineering, and others. Other than that, we also have an encyclopedia of experiments, which are a curated set of experiments that are relevant to one particular technique. And then we have the education section. And in the education section, we have core, science education, and lab manual. So all the videos that are present in our education section are they're made to be as a teaching or training tool, focusing on the key concepts for the students. So the core has smaller videos, as just now Mayuri had told. Science education has longer videos. That's a mixture of both theory and practical. And lab manual is a demonstration, laboratory demonstration of the various laboratory experiments. Now, in this particular webinar, we are focusing on the physics content in our website. So I would like to give a brief overview of the various key features of our core physics collection. Our core physics collection has 33 chapters, 498 videos, little short of 500 videos, and it's available in 14 languages in subtitles. And each video is approximately 90 seconds in length, and we follow one concept, one video. In this is the what we have followed when we are made these videos. Like any point in each video, only one concept will be highlighted and discussed, so that it's not overwhelming for the student. So, and it will enhance their comprehension and also increase their retention. And other than that, we have 99 scientists in action videos in this collection. So what are these scientists in action videos? So after every concept is in a chapter is discussed, we have added research articles from our collections where this particular concept has been directly applied. So this will give a research application view of the concept that has been discussed in the chapters. So next, another important key feature is the conceptual animations that we have in our collection. See, in our collection, the videos are made so that the abstract physics concepts are explained in an intuitive way so that the students can retain and comprehend better. And it is made using widely used and standard textbooks. And along with that, each video has clear explanations and is visually stimulating so that the student engagement is increased. And we fall our collection can fit and meets global curriculum requirements and learning objectives, and it is easily fit into any undergraduate physics or engineering physics courses. Another very important feature or very unique feature of our collection is the presence of problem solving and real world application videos. So problem solving videos are where a particular lesson this will help the lesson to be more relatable to the student. And here a concept that has been used in the taught in the lesson, there is a problem that has been given for that, and this will aid the students to understand the concept better and also help them to prepare for similar questions that are asked in various competitive exams. Many of the competitive exams have problem solving questions, and this will give them a basic uh, practice to attend and crack those questions. And along with that, we also have real world application questions where the real world application of one physics concept is given. So here I have put two videos here. First one is on tuning of a guitar, where this explains the physics of tuning of a guitar string and solves the related problems for accurate pitch and harmony. And the other one is about a gyroscope, how a gyroscope is concept of gyroscope is used, like how the earth is a giant gyroscope, and how gyroscopes are used in aeroplanes are explained here. So this is very along with not just typical lessons on the concept, we have added these problem solving and real world applications so that the students can understand better. Now I would now go into the details of the contents of our collection. And for better comprehension, I have divided it into 5 sections. The first one is the foundations of physics. This the chapter 1 and 2 are deal with that. Here, the foundations of the physics like units, dimensions, vectors, scalars are all discussed. This provides a necessary basic concept for the students to understand the upcoming difficult concepts. And then we have a huge collection in mechanics, almost like 11 chapters, that is from chapter 3 to 13. Here, various aspects of classical mechanics like motion, dynamics, energy, momentum, rotational motion, equilibrium, elasticity, fluid mechanics, they are all discussed. These give a comprehensive understanding of the fundamentals of mechanics that is necessary for the students. And the highlight of this particular set of chapters is that it is extensive and in-depth coverage, and in each of the concept there is a real world example and a problem solving videos are given here. Next we have the video chapters 15 to 17, which discuss about oscillate oscillations and waves. These include the properties, behavior, applications of also of various waves, simple harmonic motion, and even we have a chapter dealing on sound waves also in this here. And here in this particular set of chapters, the complicated wave equations are illustrated lucidly so that they can be easily understood by the students. Next, we have thermodynamics, which are dealt in chapters 18 to 21. Here we have the fundamental principles of electricity and magnetism, the electric charges, fields, potential, and along with the concepts of magnetic forces, induction, behavior of a charge, circuits, AC and alternating and direct currents. All these are discussed here. This particular section is that the beauty of this section is that we have started it at a very simple level and slowly, progressively increase the complexity so that the students will not be overwhelmed and can easily understand these chapters. Next, we have the sci-ed physics, which Mayuri has already shown you. There we have videos on classic mechanics, thermodynamics, electrostatics, magnetism, optics, and electrical circuits here. This is a very unique video collection because it has one concept and a practical that describes or that applies that particular concept. They can be very easily fit into any lab experiment or any practical curriculum of the students. And along with that, for engineering view perspective of physics also, we have some videos in our science education engineering collection, especially in the electrical and mechanical engineering section. And along with that, we have a core mechanical engineering collection where 11 chapters are there, which discuss on the fundamental physics principles, statistics, vectors, equilibrium, etc. These are all the way this collection and all is where the physics principles are dealt with from an engineering perspective. So now, how would we use, how should we use, what is the best way of utilizing this in your curriculum? First is we have what is called as a faculty resource center in our website. From here, you can look for comprehensive video playlists, ready-made playlists that are available there. Right now we have for mechanics, electricity, magnetism, waves and optics. You can choose. This will, I think, Mayuri will show you later when she's on the website. So here you have a list of all the comprehensive list of the videos in that particular topic, which this is arranged as a playlist under different subtopics there, and this can be directly uploaded into your LMS. And along with that, we have what is called as a book mapping. Here, various textbooks in standard textbooks in the books like Physics for Scientists or James Walker Physics, all these textbooks we have mapped. So what we have done is we have taken the chapters from the physics textbook, looked into the subtopics that are there, and look and mapped them with the videos that we have. And they are arranged in the same manner as they appear in the textbook. Like whenever you click on any of this book, it will open various chapters. And if you click on each chapter will have the subtopics that are there in the textbook and the videos that are present in those subtopics. So this would be like a great supplement for the student who is referring to that particular textbook. So other than this, if you have any curriculum, like you have your syllabus that you want in your specific or in your specific way you want it, then you can share your syllabi with Mayuri. She'll give the details about it later, and we can map it and send it to you according any textbook or any syllabus that you are having. We can do that. And before I give to Mayuri, I just want to share this excerpt of from this book, Fear of Physics, from Lawrence and Ross. So I don't know, means many people I have seen, they have this fear of physics. Like when I say physics, they'll say, oh, physics, that's difficult. There's a lot of maths, lot of concepts. It's overwhelming. So just to give you an idea about how to overcome that, I want to share with you this particular excerpt. So it's like a physicist, an engineer, and a psychologist are called in as a consultant for a dairy farm where this milk production is subpar. So first to come was the engineer. He suggested that you reduce the size of the cubicles, put place the cows near to each other, increase the volume of your milking pipe, so all his suggestions he gave, which were like you can easily relate to. Then the psychologist came. He said that paint the color inside green so that the cows are in a better mood. Plant more trees so that they don't go into depression. Again, it said you feel that okay, they're relevant, easily relatable. Then the physics person will come. He asks for a blackboard, draws a circle, and says, "Assume the cow is a sphere." See, what I'm trying to tell is the way we describe physics is sometimes abstract and sometimes difficult to comprehend. And just a blackboard or a chart or a presentation is not enough many times to improve the engagement of the students or comprehension. So for this reason, our videos will be greatly. They help the students to visually understand what is happening. They'll be able to relate to the concept and comprehend it better, and maybe start liking physics and enjoy physics also. Okay, with that, I will end my presentation. Thank you so much for listening. I'll give it back to Mayuri.
Thank you so much for that in-depth overview, Lakshmi. I think that was very helpful. And yeah, I'll just go on to the next slide where Lakshmi discussed how you can send across your course syllabus for me to map. So if you cannot find anything suitable under the Faculty Resource Center or on the website, we have the syllabus mapping support as well. All you need to do is send me your syllabus, and we will create a playlist that matches your syllabus, containing videos that you can use straight away for your teaching. This is a free support provided by JoVE as part of the subscription. So please feel free to send as many syllabi or keywords for videos that you would like to see. I am now sharing my email address in the chat box for you to send your syllabus at, should you need a custom map JoVE playlist. Yeah. All right. Now comes the most important question, that is how to share these JoVE resources with your students. To demonstrate how to share it with your students, I will walk you through this beginning from the most important step, that is to sign in or to create your own JoVE account. You have to make sure that you have set up a JoVE account using your institutional email address. This will allow you access to the contents that the university subscribes to and also embed it seamlessly into the LMS of your choice. If you don't already have a JoVE account, you can easily set one up by clicking on create an account from the JoVE homepage. Once signed in, your name will appear on the top right corner of this homepage. That's how you can make sure that you're correctly logged in. So when you want to share content with your students, the best way to share content till date remains via a playlist. It is also one of the key features available on the website, which is the ability to create and edit playlists. Playlists are an easy way to bring together a collection of JoVE videos that support specific instruction, laboratory, or research needs. It also makes it much easier to find videos suited to your course and share it with your students. To create your own playlist, you will again log into JoVE, and from the drop down, which appears right next to your name, you will go on to My Playlist. Once you are under My Playlist, any playlist created will be saved in this section. You can always go back and edit any of these playlists whenever you want them to. And to create a new playlist, you will click on Create New Playlist on the top right corner of the screen. Be sure to add a title to the playlist. You can also include further details, including the purpose of the playlist, the field of study specialty as an option. To add videos, search for videos by keyword in the search bar. Once you type your keyword of interest, you will find that you will have the option to select a resource either from the research section or the education section. Please select the videos that you would like to add to the playlist from this list. You also have the option to add labels to the playlist. So I've highlighted the label option here on the screen in yellow. Should you want to divide your playlist week-wise or into day-wise teaching, you can always add labels like so. Here I've added labels for introduction and the main content. So this is just an example of how you can divide your playlist using labels. Once you're happy with the entire playlist, click on Save. Once you save a playlist, it again gets saved into under My Playlist section, and it can be edited at any time. Once you are happy with the playlist that you've created, edited, and saved, the next step is to share it with your students. If you choose to share it via your LMS, there are two ways to do this. You can either embed individual videos into your LMS, or you can embed an entire playlist. For this part of the session, if you have your Moodle pages open or your Moodle course pages open, it would be fantastic because I will walk you through how to embed a JoVE video into Moodle in the next few minutes. So for that part of the session, I will share my screen with my Moodle page open actually. All right. So here I have my Moodle page, but before that, I will have to first select the video that I'd like to embed. So once you arrive at the home page like this, again, type www.jove.com in your search bars. At the top left corner of the screen, you will find the Faculty Resource Center. Now, the Faculty Resource Center will, like the name suggests, contains all of the resources that could be useful to the faculty member. From the first section for videos mapped to your courses and teaching labs, I will directly go to physics. And from the options given, just for example purpose, let's go to mechanics. And I will select the significance of center of mass video, just for example. All right, now that I've selected my video, and I will reiterate the steps. Step 1 would be to log into JoVE using your institutional email address. Step 2 is to select the video that you'd like to embed. Once you have selected the video, click on the embed video button that appears right under the video and click on copy embed code. If you are correctly logged in using your institutional email address, the button will turn green and you will have no issues copying the embed code. This is why you need to be logged in. Once you copy the embed code, you can go on to your Moodle course page, select the course of interest. Here I have a test course open. Turn editing on so you can make changes to this particular page. Once you turned editing on, you can add an activity or resource and select the option that says page. Under the option that says page, you can add a name for the resource. And under the content section, you will see a bunch of icons present. You will click on the first icon, which is a downward pointing arrow, and then select the last icon from the extra array of icons. This says HTML. Once you click on that icon, you will paste the code that you copied earlier from the JoVE website and then click on save and return to course. I will then turn editing off to see whether all of this content has been embedded. So it's right here. I named it physics videos. And there you have it. The video has been embedded into Moodle. All your students have to do is click on play at the center of the video and the video will start playing. They will not be asked to log into JoVE. They will also not be taken to a different tab to view the content. So it just took a couple of minutes really, and it's as easy as that. I will also now walk you through embedding videos in a different way using My Class. My Class is a platform provided by JoVE. If in case you don't already have an LMS that you use or a well-established network for sharing content with your students, JoVE can also help you embed content via My Class. Now, My Class is a platform created by JoVE, which is a virtual classroom. To access My Class, all you have to do is, again, set up your JoVE account. From the education dropdown that's been highlighted on the screens here, select My Class, which is the last option. To create your own class, you will have to click on Create New Class button. Once you click on Create New Class button, an overlay window will open for entering the details of the new class. So here you can add your class name, faculty name, class description, etc. Once you're happy with all of the content added, you can click on Create New Class. You can also click on add playlists to this classroom. So should you have already created a playlist and saved it in your JoVE account under My Playlist, they can be easily recalled inside a class. For example, all you have to do is click on the Add Playlist button and select the playlist that you would like to add from your list. Once you are happy with the playlist selected, click on Confirm Playlists. All of these playlists will get added at the same time. It is possible to add multiple playlists at the same time. Once you are happy with the playlist added, you can now share this class with your students. Please remember, you can also share quizzes, JoVE playlists, JoVE videos, also personal notes on this platform. So they need not just be JoVE resources, but your personal notes, PDFs, documents can also be shared via this platform. Once you're happy with how your class looks like and all of the contents, the only step that remains is to enroll students into the class. So in order to enroll students, there are 3 ways to do that. You can either share the class code with your students and then ask them to join the class using the class code. You can share the link of the class with your students, so they will not require any code to join in. All they have to do is access the link that you share. Or you can also invite students personally, so you can add their email address in the list below, and all of the email addresses that you add will receive an email to join the classroom. Now, all of these options are at your disposal. Whichever you feel comfortable with, you can use the option to invite students to this class. Now, once a student has received a code or a link from you to join the class. This is how things would look like at the student's end. Okay, the student will log into the JoVE using the institutional email address. As you can see, that's been highlighted with the red arrow. They will get the option or a button that says join class in yellow at the top of their screens. They will click on join class. If you have added code, using a code as an option to enter the class, then they will be asked to enter the code, the class code, which they will enter in the window below, and the institutional ID, and proceed. Once they click on proceed, they will be able to access the class and watch the videos or answer the quizzes that you have set up for them. So it's fairly easy. It's all part of the JoVE platform, and it's a beautiful way of sharing content with your students and basically of creating a virtual classroom with them. There is also another way of integrating content, and that's via the LTI feature. To integrate the LTI feature into your school's LMS, you can connect us with your LMS administrator, who will be able to discuss this further. To implement this feature, there is no additional cost involved in setting it up or using it. What I will do is I will share the email address in the chat box where your LMS administrator can get in touch with us in case they would like to set this up at the university. We also have the JoVE quiz feature, and all of these JoVE quizzes can also be embedded into Moodle as well as My Class. To access the JoVE quiz feature, you can again go to the education dropdown and select JoVE quiz that's been highlighted in red here. Quizzes are a great way to ensure that the students have developed an understanding of the topics covered, and also to keep them motivated, basically. So to create a new quiz, you will go onto the JoVE quiz platform and click on the create quiz button that's been highlighted in blue on your screens here. Once you click on create new quiz, you will have the option to add any video of your choice from the JoVE platform. Now, each video will come with 5 pre-programmed questions. These questions are entirely customizable. You can either delete them, edit them. You also have the option of adding your own personal questionnaire to this quiz. So again, it's entirely customizable. They come with pre-programmed questions. You just select the videos that you'd like the students to refer. Once you're happy with how the quiz looks like, all you have to do is save the quiz. Upon saving, you have the option to download the quiz as a SCORM file. Once you download the quiz as a SCORM file, you can also upload it then into Moodle. Should you need any assistance with uploading quizzes into Moodle, feel free to reach out to me in the email address shared in the chat box, and I will be very happy to meet you on a one-on-one and walk you through the same. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening. I'm very happy to take questions from the audience. And also for further questions or inquiries, feel free to reach out to me in the email address in the chat box and on the screen here, and I will take it up further. Thank you. Thank you so much. So I see there are no questions in the Q&A box. I'll just wait for a couple more minutes and then, yeah. All right, so there is a question for what are the resolutions of the videos. These videos are not downloadable, and they are available only on the JoVE platform. And they are, the resolution is 1080p, but I think it depends upon the internet connection or the network that you have going. But they are high quality HD videos. Yeah, that I hope that answers your question. I saw various languages. Yes, absolutely. We have most of the JoVE videos on the platform have translations in over 12 different languages. They also have subtitles, basically the closed captions. You will see a button that says CC or closed captions under every video. Um, if you'd like me to show you, I can do that right now. Let me quickly share my screen with you and walk you through the same. Yeah, here you have it. So this is just an example of a video which is currently available in 3 different languages. So you will see the options that have been highlighted under each video. This particular video is been translated into 3 different languages. You have the transcript option right here and the CC or the closed caption option right here. So yeah, subtitles or the closed captions right here. So you will find that most of the videos have a large number of subtitles, like a lot of languages in the subtitles, and these are just entire videos translated into French and Portuguese. Wait, is there? Okay, yeah. Is there any other question? I'll be very happy to take. And please feel free to reach out to me over my email if there are more questions, and if you'd just like to meet on a one-on-one basis, where I can also walk you through relevant collections based off of your syllabus. So it will be entirely customized, a customized playlist or content tailored to your courses. Actually, we do. And if you have such a request, I would be very happy to take that up as well. You can drop in your request in the email ID shared above. Actually, I will share the email address again. If you have any requests for me, I'll be happy to take this. And we do provide it for companies as well. Yeah. Okay. If there are no more questions, I uh, I think we're good to end this. Thank you so much for joining us. I really appreciate it, and yeah, we will be sending across a recording of the. Thank you so much. We'll be sending across a recording of this presentation, into your email addresses inboxes, and thank you, Lakshmi. Thank you, Preeti. Yeah, and have a great day ahead.